Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a guided meditation with sapphire, the stone of wisdom. For those who've watched my meditations before, welcome back. I hope you enjoy this experience with sapphire energy. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available. And if you're interested in reading that, I'll put a link to it in the description box below and in the eye above. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to its supportive benefits, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of sapphire, then I'll link that in the eye above as well, in case you'd like to hear some more in-depth details about the supportive benefits of sapphire. If you do have a piece of sapphire, whether it's tumble quality like this, or rough, or in a piece of jewelry, then go get that now and set it by your meditation space. But you do not need a piece of this gemstone to benefit from the meditation. If any of the questions that I bring up, they call to you, they feel familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some sapphire and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. That could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes as we sit with this guided meditation. So if you have your sapphire, or you're ready to picture a deep blue stone in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to the act of breathing and how it feels in your body to breathe. This draws us within, disconnecting a little from our exterior world. Bringing your attention to the rest of your physical body and noticing if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. Drawing your focus to your heart, and see if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then moving your attention to the state of your mind. Is it calm, distracted? How is your mind right now? And we're not trying to change or fix anything, just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then moving that attention to the places on your body that touch the cushion, the chair, or the floor beneath you. And noticing this strong connection with the earth. You are sitting on top of the entire earth, perfectly supported by the entire mass of the earth. You have access to all of its energy, so you will be guided and protected during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of sapphire, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the sapphire today. If you don't have a piece of the stone, then picture a deep blue stone in your mind. But if you are holding it, whether it's in the form of a jewelry like a pendant or a bracelet, or a tumbled stone, then take note of its weight in your hand. Run your fingers over the surface and take a minute to get to know your piece of sapphire. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or mind since you picked up the sapphire. And then imagine you are in a grand library, surrounded by books and knowledge. And you are connected to the wisdom of all. And sit with this image of sapphire energy for a minute. Sapphire is the stone of wisdom. And as you hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you a student? Either in school or at work, or a spiritual student? Are you trying to learn a brand new skill? Do you have an important decision to make? Do you want to connect to your inner wisdom and truth? Are you a teacher or a mentor? Someone who will share your knowledge with others? Sapphire is a gemstone that supports all of these roles and situations in our lives. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to you, to your heart, your body, your mind, and sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or picture the sapphire. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. Notice if anything changes in your heart, your body, or your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the sapphire energy and release the situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to meditate with sapphire, the stone of wisdom. I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like sapphire is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive energies of the sapphire when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in your life. Knowing the situations that you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. If you're brand new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. So if you are interested in learning how a wide variety of gemstones can help you initiate change and transformation in everyday practical life situations, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.